Meet Genevieve. She was searching for a change when a group she was in told her to reach to the next level, you have to try something new. That's when she found WorkSafe training. Her experience? Deep, thorough, and effective. Now, with her forklift license in hand, she's ready to break barriers. She knows the rumors. Forklifting isn't for women. But Genevieve is here to prove otherwise. Working alongside her male peers, she's determined to show that women can do it just as well and make a difference wherever we go. WorkSafe training, preparing everyone for success. Get trained, get certified, get working. Are you ready to take the first step? Visit us online or call now. WorkSafe Training, your leaders in forklift training.